Hey guys, it's Kiki. I'm back with another video. Kiki posts like once a month. Holly, I'm back. And you know, I'm back and I'm better with my monthly video. Okay, y'all. So anyway, I got the new iPhone, the iPhone 12. Okay, I'm bougie. I'm new. I got it fresh out the box. Okay. Quick backstory. The iPhone 10s. Let me take it out the case so y'all can truly see it. And I've had this phone for 2 years, you guys. This is the phone. I have like the little, I think this is rose gold color. The only reason I did want a new phone was because I want a bigger screen. Because I literally have been addicted to watching like Netflix. As you guys can see, I'm watching like Hulu right now on my phone. So like my phone is like my iPad. I watch like so many shows, so many movies off my phone. So I'm like, they said the new iPhone has like a better screen. I have Sprint, and Sprint basically said that I could get the phone if I traded in this phone for only $10 a month. And I'm like, okay, $10 a month is not bad. I can do that. That's not that big of a deal. So I ended up ordering it. Next thing you know, I was on the Sprint website. Next thing you know, I was checking out, and now this box is at my house. So I have a new phone. I got the iPhone 12 in the blue color. I really love the colors. Like, I know the iPhone 11 had like a bunch of cute colors, but I didn't get that phone. So I'm really excited to get a color. I decided to get the iPhone 12 instead of the 12 Pro because the reviews that were up on YouTube were basically like, oh, there's really no difference except for the camera. I was like, I'm not gonna pay an extra, like I think it was like $200-300 just for one extra camera. I wasn't gonna pay extra money for that. I wasn't, okay? I'm trying to be fiscally responsible. Not that buying this new phone was, but you know, I'm trying to be somewhat, okay? I'm halfway there. So yeah, let's open up this phone. I'm sure y'all are like, sis, you've talked enough. Let's get straight to it. To be honest, I don't know that this is my phone, but I'm guessing it's my phone because my name's on the package and I don't remember ordering anything else. So, and it said that it was gonna ship out on the 23rd. And today's the 23rd. So they must have shipped it out early to arrive on the 23rd. But I feel like it's my phone, but I wanted to open it on camera just in case. If it's not, this is going to be awkward. Ooh. Okay, got the little, it's my phone, y'all. Okay, what's this? Okay, so there's giving me a little guide. What is this? So they gave me a guide on what I need to do to get my phone set up, check the condition, return my device, blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Bubble wrap. Oh, this is my return stuff. All right, this is the phone. It does seem bigger so far. Okay, your girl. This is the phone, so let's open it. So one thing Apple did say, they were trying to save space with their little boxes. So this box is way thinner than before. I think it's kind of annoying that they aren't giving us chargers. Like, as much as we pay for these phones, you can give me a charger. But yeah, so this is the box, and then this is the phone. I'm really nervous, y'all, because I ordered a case, but it's not here yet. Ah! Oh my god. Is my light too bright? Comes with this little manual. Oh, this is like the little SIM card thing or whatever. And then the cord. I was really curious about this cord because, again, I told you guys I have an iPhone 10. So I don't have the power adapter that came with the 11. Like, nothing I own is going to fit this type of cable. So that's actually really annoying. So yeah, anyway, who cares about that? Let's get to the phone. It's giving very iPhone 5 vibes, y'all. Remember when we all had iPhone 5s? This is how the blue color looks. I'm getting a ton of fingerprints on this. Like, look at this. From the little time that I touched it, it's like nothing but fingerprints. So that's the thing. Obviously, I ordered a case. Like I said, I'm waiting for my case to come in. But comparing it to my iPhone 10, it does seem similar. This is them side by side. I chose this blue color because I'm like, the blue is like, blue kind of goes with everything, but it's also like a pop color. Setting up Face ID, y'all. For some reason, someone is building a house in my neighborhood. Like, they are constantly, it sounds like, drilling 24/7, and I don't get it. It's just like, when are you gonna stop? Like, there's only so much drilling you can do in 1 week. You know, I don't understand. The phone technically has the same charger, which I was not sure about. But this side is for, like, if you want to supercharge or whatever. But they didn't give us the base, so I can't use this charger unless I go to the Apple store and buy one. So I just looked, and the USB-C power adapter is $19 on the Apple website. So if you don't already have one, or you don't already have some type of wireless charger, expect to pay an additional $19 if you actually want to use the charger that came with your phone. The thing I'm the most excited about for this phone is the camera. I heard it has a really good front-facing camera and a really good back-facing camera. My current phone has a good camera, but I think it's like, after you have a phone for so long, the camera starts to wear out, and a lot of my friends can take way better pictures than me. So I'm excited to be able to take, you know, cute selfies, have that HD FaceTime. The camera is it, okay? Let me try the other side. That portrait mode. Y'all, I want to do like a vlog on this phone just to see how it would be for vlogging. If you guys want me to do like a vlog on the iPhone 12, let me know. This is clear. Let me do a vlog on the iPhone 12, let y'all know. Obviously, I'm running my ring light right now, so it looks good. But, you know, if I do a vlog, like, and I'm out and about, we can see how that looks. The main things I do on my phone are go on TikTok, watch TikToks, watch Hulu or Netflix. I check my emails, too, because, you know, we're booked and busy, honey, okay? Yeah, so y'all, this is my phone. This is the color for one last time. I'm gonna go play with it, y'all, because clearly I have a lot I need to see. Like I said, I'll do another video, like, kind of making a vlog with the phone. So if you have any questions for me regarding the phone or anything about, like, transferring from the iPhone 10 to the 12, do I think it's worth it? What are my favorite features? Stuff like that. I'll talk about that on the vlog with the phone. This is my new phone. I'm gonna go play with her. I'm gonna do everything. I'm gonna watch TikToks for hours. I'm gonna play Among Us. I'm going to watch videos. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would really, really appreciate it. I post like once a month. So, I mean, you might as well be here. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.